Well, I don't know about you, but I thought this was going to be a quiet and relaxing Thursday. It turns out that is not the case. After a week full of ride reveals, POV reveals, the hyperia Expo putting out tons of exciting information, just when you thought you could relax, in comes Thorpe Park with a left hook straight against your jaw, because today they have finally announced the new land coming for 2024. Angry Birds is gone, we knew that already. It's now officially in the rear view mirror, and say hello to Big Easy Boulevard. What an absolutely exciting, crazy announcement for a Thursday evening. Thorpe Park have got the weekend going for us all, straight off the bat with this announcement. As you can see, I'm still dressed for outside. I've got nothing ready. We've quickly just jumped in here because this news blindsided us all. I'm sure we all thought that this was going to be a lot later in the year, closing in on next season when we were going to find out this information, but Thorpe Park have slipped it in there just before the weekend, and so I'm a little unprepared for this, but we're going to give you some information now. So this concept art was just revealed, and going with the concept art we have this brand new information. Step into Big Easy Boulevard and let the good times roll. Set to open in spring 2024, take a stroll down Big Easy Boulevard and immerse yourself in the carefree atmosphere and exhilarating energy that fills the street. Here, life is a breeze as the locals have mastered the art of not taking things too seriously. It's the perfect place to let loose, seize the moment and create unforgettable memories with your friends and family. Experience epic thrill rides and laughter-packed rides. Experience epic thrills and laughter-packed rides at the Freedom Firework Company. Every day is the 4th of July, so brace yourself for the ultimate adrenaline rush on Detonator, our drop tower ride that sends you plummeting 100 foot to an epic finale. Fuel the fun on the Judventures, our classic bumper car ride that guarantees laughter for the whole family. Don't miss out on the sensory delights at the cinema. Immerse yourself in our awe-inspired 4D movie at our cinema, where you'll be treated to a thrilling multi-sensory experience. Prepare to be transported into a captivating world of sights, sounds and surprises with our new blockbuster. Satisfy your sweet tooth. What's a stroll down Big Easy Boulevard without indulging in the delectable delights of the neighbourhood? Satisfy your sweet tooth with a visit to Candy Pip's Sweet Easy, stacked from floor to ceiling with all the sweet treats your heart desires. So join the fun in 2024, embrace the thrilling adventure and vibrant energy of Big Easy Boulevard. Let the good times roll as you explore this lively neighbourhood and create cherished memories that will stay with you for long after your visit. Now, that sounds pretty damn brilliant, so we can take a few things for that. We've got the new Firework Company theme for Detonator. So it already had its Angry Birds theming removed in 2021 and it's been sat pretty plain since then. As you can see on the concept art, we're going to get that firework theming throughout there. Unlike what I previously speculated, the 4D cinema is not going to be torn out and replaced with a Thorpe Park museum. It's going to be a new 4D experience, so they're going to keep the 4D technology in there, and it's going to be an IP-less experience created by Thorpe Park themselves, which is exciting and it's nice to see. It's a little shame that we're not going to get that museum, but potentially it could be in a different location. One of the teasers that they did show last week did seem to indicate a lot of retro items within that photo that could indicate that they're looking potentially towards the older Thorpe Park, and maybe a museum somewhere along the lines, which would be good, but obviously not in this location. It's giving me a very Universal Orlando kind of vibe going on here. The building layouts, this New Orleans kind of look to it, this chilled out relaxed environment. It's very much Disney Hollywood Studios or Universal Orlando, and it's looking absolutely brilliant. We did think potentially, could it be connected to Hyperia when they said that they were going to retheme? Obviously, no, it isn't. Hyperia seems to be heavily leaning towards the Egyptian or Greek goddess type theming, whereas this is very much big chilled out cityscape. I'm very, very excited for this, with Hyperia coming and the theming around that area, with Big Easy Boulevard now announced and what looks like brilliant theming around this area. And then not only that, you've got the Infinity logo, which is going, and it's going to be replaced with something else. It does seem to indicate that Thorpe Park are moving towards that slightly more grown up, thrill-centric experience, heavy on the theming, aimed towards your teenagers and adults upwards. It's really, really exciting. It's a great time to be a theme park fan, and I can't wait for 2024 and beyond. Not only for what's going on at Thorpe Park, but obviously other places as well. But Thorpe Park are really leading the way this year with all of this exciting news, and I really can't wait to see what happens next. Tell us what you think of Big Easy Boulevard. Let us know what you're most excited about. Please, by all means, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.